Google Docs header and footer. Google Docs tutorial. Hi guys, welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add a header and a footer to your Google Docs. So let's get into it. First of all, you're gonna open up your Google Docs and write your document. Once you have a document, now I'll show you how to insert a header and a footer. In order to insert the header, you're gonna double click right here at the top and it will insert your header. Another way to insert the header or a footer to your document, you can go to Insert option, scroll down to Headers and Footers right here, and select if you want to add a header or a footer. We also have our keyboard keys right here. Ctrl-Alt+O or Ctrl+Alt+H will allow you to add a header. Similarly, we have Ctrl+Alt+O for footer or Ctrl+Alt+F. Once the header is inserted, you will be able to select if you want it to be different than the first page, then you can select this option. We also have this drop down right here, which is the header format. Here, I will be able to select the margins for my header and footer. Again, select the layout. We also have page numbers and remove header option. Now, we're just gonna type in whatever we want to add to our header. Usually in our header, we add our logos, company names, address, or a website. You're gonna type in what you want to add and it will be added as a header. We can select the text to change the color, font, or alignment as well. Let's actually make it left aligned. And this is what it will look like. Now our header has been added. Let's move on to our footer. To add the footer, scroll down to the bottom and double click. The footer will be inserted and we're gonna select it on all pages, so it will be shown at the bottom of all of the pages in a document. In our footer, usually we add the page number. So we're gonna go to the options right here and click on page numbers. And now we can start our number, start from 1, and then you're gonna select like what number it is. So I'm just gonna select 1 for this one. Off, go to insert, select page number, and then page count. It will allow you to add the total number of pages in your document. So you can see it has been added, 1 of 3. And this is how you can add a footer in your documents. I hope that I was a big help, and now you know how to add a header and a footer in your Google Docs.